Hey guys, I'm going to be going for consent with you today. Um, it's a very long defense because you have to mention it. I'll go for it, but it's kind of long. As to defenses that blank could plead, she/he may be able to raise a defense of consent. This is a limited defense and is usually available in respect to minor crimes of assault or battery. For more serious non-fatal offences, ABH, GBH, etc., it can only be successfully pleaded if the activity of which the injury arises is surgery, including tattooing, or body piercing, rough horseplay, or sport. Attorney General reference number 6 of 1980. In this instance, we can see that the activity fits under any of the categories there. So for sport, you'd have to mention the case of Billinghurst. The defence was accepted in the case of a rugby match. And in Barnes, the criminal conviction should only be brought against a sportsperson if his/her conduct was grave enough to be properly categorised as criminal. So those two cases for sport. If it fits under lawful chastisement, you'd have to say that under the Children's Act 2004, smacking by a parent is illegal and where it causes bruising and cuts. However, consent will still be available as a defence to common assault. Watkins' parents allowed to use reasonable force in relation to discipline. Reasonable surgical interference, you have to use the case of Richardson. Appeal was allowed as there had been no deception as to the nature and quality of dental work. Burrell v. Harmer. A person's age in itself does not negate consent. It's only... Oh wait, I can't read it. Right. Sorry. It's the ability to appreciate the nature of the act that is important. And rough horseplay. In Jones Boys, tossed two other people in the air, causing serious injury. And in Aitken, courts held implied consent to rough horseplay and undisciplined horseplay. Sorry, my writing's really awful down here, but it's nice here. Anyways, that's consent. Remember, mention the case that's relevant to the category that consent fits under, and you've got all the cases here along with the ratios. And as long as you've got the first paragraph here with reference to the Attorney General reference case, which is the main one for consent, and yeah, you should be fine. Take care, guys. Hope this video helps.